Here are the guidelines to assist you in initiating HR analytics within your organization. Step 1. Define your objectives. In the world of HR analytics, defining clear objectives is the crucial first step. This is where you determine what specific HR challenges or areas you want to focus on. It's about asking questions like, what are the pain points in our HR processes? Where can data-driven insights make a difference? What do we want to achieve through HR analytics? For example, you might want to improve recruitment by reducing the time it takes to fill job vacancies. Alternatively, you might focus on optimizing workforce planning to ensure you have the right number of employees with the right skills at any given time. Another objective could be enhancing employee engagement to boost retention rates. Why is this important? Defining clear objectives serves as your guiding light throughout the HR analytics journey. It helps you stay focused and ensures that the insights you gain are relevant and actionable. It also allows you to measure the effectiveness of your actions. Without well-defined objectives, HR analytics efforts can become aimless and less impactful. Step 2. Identify relevant HR metrics. Once you've set your objectives, the next step is to identify the key performance indicators and metrics that align with those objectives. These metrics are the data points you'll use to measure your progress and success. They can cover a wide range of areas in HR, including employee turnover rate, time to fill job vacancies, training program effectiveness, diversity and inclusion metrics, employee engagement scores, absenteeism rates, salary, and promotion history. Why is this important? Identifying relevant HR metrics is crucial because these metrics serve as the backbone of your HR analytics efforts. They provide the data you need to track progress, measure success, and make informed decisions. Choosing the right metrics ensures that your analysis is aligned with your objectives and helps you focus on what matters most. Step 3. Assess data availability and quality. Effective HR analytics relies heavily on data. In this step, you need to assess the availability and quality of the data you'll be using for your analysis. The kind of data required for HR analytics includes a wide range of information, such as employee performance data, including low and high performers, salary and promotion history, demographics of your workforce, onboarding and training engagement data, overall employee engagement scores, employee retention and turnover rates, employee absenteeism records. Data can be collected from various sources, including HR systems, learning and development platforms, cloud-based systems, and more. It's crucial to ensure that the data is accurate, up-to-date, and relevant to your objectives. HR professionals with analytics knowledge will assess data viability, perform statistical modeling, and maintain data quality. Why is this important? Data is the foundation of HR analytics. Assessing data availability and quality ensures that you have a solid data infrastructure to support your analysis. High-quality data leads to more accurate insights and better decision-making. Analytics knowledge play a critical role in this step by ensuring data accuracy and helping HR professionals harness the power of data effectively. Step 4. Build analytical capabilities. In this step, you need to equip your HR team with the necessary skills and expertise to conduct HR analytics effectively. This often involves upskilling team members in areas such as data analysis, statistical techniques, and data visualization tools. Alternatively, you can consider partnering with external experts or leveraging external resources for support. Why is this important? Building analytical capabilities within your HR team is essential for harnessing the full potential of HR analytics. Skilled professionals can effectively analyze data, derive meaningful insights, and translate those insights into actionable strategies. This step ensures that your team is equipped to handle the complexities of data analysis and interpretation. Step 5. Select appropriate analytics tools. Once you have the skills and expertise in place, you need the right tools to carry out your HR analytics. Identifying and implementing suitable HR analytics tools and technologies is crucial for success. These tools can include data visualization software, statistical analysis tools, and specialized HR analytics platforms. Key features to look for in your HR analytics solution: ability to answer critical business questions posed by top leadership, user-friendliness for individuals who are not data scientists, accessibility, especially if it's a cloud-based solution that doesn't require heavy IT integration, integration of statistical analysis and machine learning technology for predictive capabilities, subscription model for easy access to the latest technology upgrades. Why is this important? Selecting the right analytics tools streamlines the data analysis process and enhances your team's efficiency. It ensures that you can effectively transform data into actionable insights and reports. The choice of tools also impacts the accessibility and scalability of your HR analytics efforts. Step 6. Analyze and interpret data. With the necessary skills, data, and tools in place, it's time to dive into the analysis. Informed decisions should be made based on data rather than assumptions. The collected data can be used to build various forms of reports, graphs, and charts to visualize the insights. Common formats for presenting HR analytics insights: HR dashboard, a visual representation of data that enables key stakeholders to easily monitor HR analytics metrics. It provides benchmark data such as turnover rates, headcount, sickness absence, time to hire, quality of hire, and more. HR scorecard. This mechanism describes and measures how people create value in a company. It often includes a balanced set of metrics that align with the company's strategic goals. Document report, a simple document that presents key performance metrics along with a narrative explanation. This format is often used for detailed reporting to leadership or other stakeholders. Why is this important? Data analysis and interpretation are at the heart of HR analytics. It's where you extract valuable insights that inform decision-making. Visualization tools and reports make it easier to communicate these insights to stakeholders, ensuring that data-driven decisions are made across the organization. Step 7. Application. With the data analysis complete, it's time to put your insights into action. The HR department must work closely with the management team to discuss the findings and devise strategies to address the identified HR challenges. For example, if your analysis revealed that a lack of employee training and development opportunities is contributing to high turnover rates, you need to take immediate action to invest in development and upskilling programs for your workforce. Why is this important? The application of HR analytics is where the rubber meets the road. It's where you translate insights into concrete strategies and actions that drive real change in your organization. Without effective application, HR analytics remains an academic exercise with little impact on the ground. Step 8. Communicate findings. Effective communication is essential to ensure that your HR analytics insights are understood and embraced by relevant stakeholders. You need to present these insights and recommendations to HR leadership, managers, or executives. During this communication, it's crucial to clearly articulate the implications of the analytics findings and the potential benefits of implementing the recommended strategies. Collaboration with stakeholders is key to gaining their support and alignment. Why is this important? Effective communication ensures that your HR analytics insights don't remain confined to the HR department. It spreads awareness and understanding of the value of data-driven decision-making throughout the organization. It also fosters collaboration and buy-in from key decision makers. Step 9. Monitor and refine HR analytics is not a one-time effort. It's an ongoing process of improvement. Continuously monitor and assess the impact of your HR analytics initiatives. Collect feedback, evaluate outcomes, and refine your analytics approach as needed. This iterative process helps improve the effectiveness and value of HR analytics within your organization. It allows you to adapt to changing circumstances, refine strategies, and ensure that your HR practices remain aligned with your objectives. Why is this important? Monitoring and refinement ensure that your HR analytics efforts stay relevant and effective over time. It helps you learn from your successes and failures, enabling continuous improvement in your HR practices. It also ensures that you stay responsive to evolving business needs and challenges.